Hi everybody, today I'm going to do an unboxing and review of the AKASO DL2 dash cam. I will link this product in the description and the pinned comment, and I'm going to do an unboxing and then I'm going to use this for at least a week and then I'm going to report back. So while this is done right now, I'm going to edit the video and all that stuff. So this is what comes in the box. It comes obviously with the dash cam, and it's nicely protected. There's also a film over the mirror so it doesn't scratch, and the back looks like this. It has nice padding on the back so it doesn't scratch your existing mirror. This is the lens. It has a film over it. I'm going to remove it, obviously. This is a mini USB port, a place to plug in the backup camera, a place to put the micro SD, and that's about it. And this is for the straps. So I'm going to show you it a little more up close in the front of it when I install it. And let's see what else is in the bag or in the box. So we have a long extension cord with one of these plugs. I wish they stopped selling these like that, but just give us a USB cord, you know, with a USB plug, because everybody now has like multiple USBs in the car. This would just take a spot where the USB adapter is. Let's see what else is. We want to hear from you. No, I don't want to hear. As a manual, I'm going to go over this later after I review everything. It got the straps to go around it to hold to your mirror, existing mirror. And it has the backup camera, and I believe also the sensor that goes to your reverse. So it will automatically go into that mode. I'm not sure I'm going to install that because I think it just overcomplicates things. So we'll see. Very nicely packaged. I'm going to install it. I'm going to see how it works. I'm going to put in some videos out there how it performs during the day and night, and maybe I'll link to the actual videos so you get recompressed ones from YouTube. This is how it looks from outside. Yeah, you can definitely see that there's a camera, especially since they made they put a silver ring around the camera element. Anyway, I'm going to show you how it operates and how it looks inside. All right, so this is how it looks when it's mounted, and I gotta say it's really nice quality product besides the video quality. And you're gonna see I'm gonna post some videos a day at night, and you're gonna see it has a lot of problems, unfortunately, because this is a really I like it actually. So you turn it on right here, and you can tell if it's recording because there's a little light here. So when you turn it on, the screen goes on. And by the way, I can see it much better. I'm looking at the screen on the recorder, and you can see the screen much better. It doesn't reflect the back as much as you can see in the screen. But take a look at the video quality. It's just really bad. So let's go back to the menu. And everything is really nicely laid out. You can turn off the audio, you can turn off recording at all. You can go to video, back to video, and you can set all these options here. The touchscreen is very responsive. You have to turn off the recording if you want to go to setup, so let's do that. And then here you can set up resolution, loop recording, night mode. Night mode, I'm really not sure what it does because I didn't notice any difference. Boot into recorder interface, that means instead of going to the menu, it goes into the actual video screen. Motion detection, when it detects motion, it will start recording. I would not do that because it could miss some stuff. You really wanted recording at all times. An option to record audio automatically or not, LCD brightness, date stamp, and G sensor. That's if it's in park mode and it notices a problem. Now, really, again, this is a really, really nice device, and unfortunately it's hampered by the video quality, and you be the judge. All right, so I'm gonna wrap up this video, and please thumb up if you like this video, thumb down if you hate it, let me know why, put in your comments, and I'd love to hear back from you. Watch these videos next.
There. Anyway, let's pour off this liquid and recover the gold from it. So I'm just going to carefully pour this liquid off, being careful not to get any of that silver in there. Now I'll just rinse it. Alright, let's let that come up to temperature again, and we'll pour it out. I'm going to be pouring it into this bucket of cold water. That way it breaks up into little tiny pieces to make it faster to dissolve in the acid.